Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm going to be showing you one of my favourite tricks growing up. It's called Between the Two Red Queens. So, let's get started. I have 13 cards here. So, I'm just going to ask a spectator to take any one they want. Let's go with this one here. That's your card there. So just remember that. So I'm going to ask the spectator to put the card on the top, and we are going to shuffle that into the deck. So now they have been shuffled into the deck, I honestly have no idea where your card is, which is where these two red queens come in. We're going to put one on the top, going to put one on the bottom, and now we're going to spell out between the two red queens, like so. So between, B-E-T-W-E-E-N, cards on top, the, T-H-E, two, T-W-O, red, R-E-D, queens, Q-U-E-E-N-S. So now we have spelt the two red queens out. As you can see, there is a card in between the two red queens. Shocker. And that card is your card. So that is the trick. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you're interested in learning how to do it, then stick around and I'll show you. Okay, so you need 13 cards. So just count 13 cards out. And then you ask the spectator to take one. Let's say I take this one here, the 3 of spades. Now, all you need to do is control this card to the bottom of this deck, or this pack. There's multiple ways you can do this. I like to do this way. So you grab 2 cards, one from the top, one from the bottom. So you know now the card is second from bottom. That's what I do. And then when they're not looking, I'll just do this. And their card's on the bottom. So that's second from the bottom, it's on the bottom, okay? Once you've done that, literally will work itself. Just spell out between the two red queens. B-E-T-W-E-E-N. Make sure you put the deck on top. The, T-H-E, 2, T-W-O, red, R-E-D, queens, Q-U-E-E-N-S. And then that will literally work. It will be the card in between. So I hope you guys enjoyed that very simple trick. I'll have plenty more coming for you soon. But in the meantime, keep practicing and I'll see you guys in the next video.